Hello, this is Alex from the National Weather Service in Norman with an update regarding the upcoming winter weather potential on Tuesday night into Wednesday. Currently, there is a winter storm watch for our counties in western North Texas to the northeast through southwestern and central Oklahoma. Starting Tuesday night, precipitation will enter the area from the southwest and move to the northeast. This precipitation will fully transition to snow by Wednesday morning, with some areas of possible sleet and freezing rain in southeastern Oklahoma. One of the big questions with the forecast is the snow amounts. However, pinpointing snow amounts is, well, difficult, and we'll talk about that a little bit here. With these snow events, heavier snow tends to fall in narrow corridors and snow bands. Within these snow bands, you can see considerably more snow in a tight gradient, meaning if you're where the snow band is, you receive considerably more snow than the people 20 miles away who get very little. The weather models that we use to make our forecasts tend to struggle on the exact placement of where these snow bands set up, and the placement varies between model runs. For example, in this image, if the snow band could set up like this, where Oklahoma City and Lawton sees considerably more snow and Wichita Falls sees very little. Or the snow bands could set up a little bit further to the south where Lawton and Wichita Falls sees considerable amounts of snow and Oklahoma City sees very little. Again, models have a difficult time really determining where exactly these snow bands will set up, and usually it's not until the event is ongoing that we know for certain who will see the most snow. Having said that, let's take a look at our snow forecast. For now, our forecast hasn't really changed very much from the previous day. We have a wide band of 4 to 6 inches of snow stretching from western North Texas up through Lawton, Oklahoma City, and Stillwater. There will likely be travel impacts with this accumulating snowfall. One thing to note is that, like our example, the models have varied from run to run, with the higher snow amounts shifting between north of I-44 and south of I-44. Where certain people will see snow, however, the location and amounts will definitely change. I would suggest checking back in on our forecast to keep updated with the latest anticipated snow amounts. One final thing I wanted to note on is that behind the cold front moving through, temperatures are going to drop considerably, and the strong winds will lead to wind chills Tuesday night in the teens and single digits. If you have plans to be out, make sure you take precautions to protect yourself with the very cold wind chills. That's it for this briefing. Please remember to stay safe and stay aware of any winter weather happening in your area. And don't forget to check in on our forecast as we get closer to the event and the things get clearer.